Have you ever wondered how to make money online? Welcome to a world where the internet isn't merely a tool for communication or entertainment, but a vast marketplace with endless opportunities. In this age of digital revolution, earning money online has become not just a possibility, but for many, a reality. From freelancing to e-commerce, blogging to online tutoring, the digital realm is teeming with avenues to create multiple streams of income. It's a space where your skills, creativity, and ingenuity can transform into substantial earnings. However, navigating this online world can feel like traversing an intricate labyrinth. You may wonder, where should I start? What path should I take? How can I turn my online presence into profits? Don't worry, we're here to guide you through this maze. We'll provide you with a clear and concise roadmap, a step-by-step guide to making money online. In the next few minutes, you will learn a step-by-step process to start earning money online. The first step is to choose your path. With the vast digital world at your fingertips, there are countless ways to make money online. The trick, however, is to find the one that suits your skills, your interests, and your ambitions. Let's start with blogging. If you have a knack for writing and a topic you're passionate about, this could be your avenue. You can earn through advertising, sponsored posts, or even by selling your own products or services on your blog. However, it does require consistent effort and creativity to keep your audience engaged. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission on any sales made through your referral links. It's a good option if you have a strong online presence, but remember, success in affiliate marketing often depends on the trust you've built with your audience. Online tutoring is another great way to earn. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, why not share your knowledge with others who want to learn? It's flexible and rewarding, but it does require patience and excellent communication skills. Then there's freelancing. From graphic design to content creation, programming to virtual assistants, there's a vast market for freelance work online. It offers you the freedom to work on your own terms, but it also demands discipline and self-motivation. Dropshipping is another option. This involves selling products online without having to handle the inventory or shipping yourself. It's relatively low risk, but competition can be tough, and customer service is key. Lastly, you could sell your own products online. Whether it's handmade crafts, digital art, or even your own ebook, the internet offers a global marketplace for your creations. However, this requires a good understanding of your target market and some savvy marketing skills. Remember, the key is to choose a path that aligns with your passion and skills. It's not about what's trendy or what makes the most money, but about what makes you excited to get up in the morning. That's where you'll find success. And once you've chosen your path, it's time to set up your online platform. Now, you might be wondering, why is this so important? Well, in today's digital age, having an online presence is not just an option, it's a necessity. It's your digital storefront, your business card, and your first impression all rolled into one. So, how do you go about setting up this platform? It really depends on your chosen path. If you're selling products, an online store might be best. If you're offering services, a professional website could be the way to go. And if you're looking to build a community, social media is your friend. Regardless of the platform, there are a few basics to keep in mind. Make sure your platform is user-friendly, visually appealing, and filled with valuable content. Remember, it's all about creating a positive experience for your potential customers or clients. An effective online platform is your gateway to reaching potential customers or clients. With your platform ready, it's time to create valuable content. But what does valuable content mean? It's not just about quantity, but quality. It's about creating something that resonates with your audience, something that they will find useful or entertaining. Perhaps you're a whiz at writing informative blog posts. Maybe you're a master of engaging social media posts that start a conversation. Or you could be a creator of high-quality products that solve a problem or meet a need. Whatever your strength, leverage it. Your content should be a reflection of your expertise and passion. Creating valuable content is not a one-time effort, it's an ongoing commitment. Consistently provide your audience with fresh, relevant content, and they'll keep coming back for more. The bottom line is this: the value you provide is directly proportional to the value you receive. Remember, the more value you provide, the more likely people are to spend their money on your offerings. Now that you have valuable content, it's time to monetize your platform. We all know that creating engaging content is a crucial step, But the real game changer is how you transform this into a revenue stream. There are numerous ways to monetize your platform. Advertisements are one of the most common methods. By placing ads on your site, you earn revenue each time they're viewed or clicked. Sponsored posts are another great option. These are posts that a company pays you to publish. It's a brilliant way to earn money while also providing valuable content to your audience. Selling products or services directly from your platform can be highly profitable. Whether it's merchandise, ebooks, or online courses, there's a vast market out there just waiting to be tapped. And let's not forget affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Monetization is the final step to earning money online. It's where all your hard work pays off. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money online. Let's quickly revisit these crucial steps to ensure you're well-equipped to start your digital gold rush. Remember, choosing your path is the first step. It is like selecting the right seed to sow, so invest your time wisely in identifying a niche that suits you. Next, setting up your online platform is like preparing the field. Make sure your website or blog is user-friendly and engaging. It's your digital storefront, so make it inviting. Then creating valuable content is like nurturing the seed. Good content will attract visitors, just like a well-watered plant attracts bees. Consistently produce high-quality content that adds value to your audience. Finally, monetizing your platform. This is the fruit of your labor, the harvest. Whether through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling products, find the best ways to monetize your platform. With persistence and dedication, you can turn your online platform into a profitable venture. So what are you waiting for? Start your online money-making journey today.